let's take a look at the market quickly. 27th today, Tuesday, and let's see what's going on 27th of September. Now this is the pound dollar. Yesterday I did want the pound dollar to come around here for us to buy. It was a bit far off, to be honest, and it, so it didn't come back, but that's not a big deal. I am still waiting for this point. So if the market, let's just do this, should the market come back down to these levels, I'm going to look at buying it. If the market goes up to these levels, we're going to look at selling it. Okay, so it's pretty cool at this area here because we've got the resistance line here. So if the market kind of like trails up, then that's where we want to kind of sell to bring it down here, and then next week we'll be going long. So that's a scenario that you might want to keep in mind for the pound dollar. Dollar franc, I did say we want to go long yesterday. So if you entered the market long yesterday around here, as I did say, this was going to be the range here. As you see, the market just bang picked up from there. It's back down here again. Gave us another opportunity to go long because we are anticipating to go long on this as well. So as the market pops its head down, we do want to buy. All right, so don't panic if it comes down a bit more. You see there's a bit more levels down here, a few more, but we're expecting the dollar franc to kind of pick up and the euro dollar to kind of come down from the highs today. So let's take a look at the euro dollar. Now the euro dollar, as you know, we had this trade short from last week. As you see from what I have, it's still open. Okay, yesterday the market shorted. If it raises its head again, it's good to short, and then today, tomorrow and Thursday I'm expecting a pullback, so we'll be able to save this trade with a minimum loss or even with a profit. So it's worthwhile following. This is actually a good video for you guys because sometimes a lot of traders look at the market and then when they're looking at it, they think, oh no, the trade's gone against me and I'm going to lose a lot of money. If you know technical analysis, if you know what you're doing, what you can do is anticipate all those pullbacks, and on the pullbacks you can get out with a really small loss actually. So it's all about knowing a bit of technical analysis, a bit of technical know-how for you to kind of like, ooze your way out of a losing trade when the market pulls back. Okay, now that will only happen if you've got some good training and you have some technical analysis, or if you have a technical analysis strategy that will provide you that to happen. So be mindful, and if you want to learn some technical analysis, you should have a chat with your trading specialist. Let's take a look at the dollar Canadian. Here is the dollar Canadian. Now as you can see, we have a bit of a breakout here, but I want to bring this to the daily. Okay, because on the daily, as you can see, yesterday as well, we had this shape here. The market, as you can see, sold off from the tops around here. Now, dollar Canadian, I don't want to really mess around with it too much because the central bank governor will be talking, and when these guys talk, I'll rather sit on the bench and just wait to see what happens actually. And do you know what we could do though? Maybe I can just put this inside a channel and maybe we can anticipate what will happen according to our channel. So let me just do that, stick this up here. So this is a dollar Canadian. That's what it's looking like at the moment, all right? So the market could go up or go down depending on how Polos is going to talk. So let him talk, let him get it out of his system at least, and then we'll see how things are going on, all right? Let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. Now here is the Aussie dollar. Now we were expecting this to go long here, so now it broke out. As you can see, it's going towards the channel top. I was expecting it to come down here before it started going up, but as you can see, it moved up faster than I anticipated. So now we can take this back, because also last week, remember, I wanted to sell here, and this week I wanted to buy on this line, but it now seems to be going straight up, which is not a bad thing, because now what we can do is sell from the top. Where are we going to do that? Well, that's very simple. If you know technical analysis, that is, there you go, that's where you want to sell it. So it's a channel top, as you can see, plus it's a double top. So when the market comes to around 77.32, that's the kind of area you want to be selling, 77.32, and let's just do that, 77.50 area. I just want to take a look at one more thing, and this is my secret weapon. Okay, it's my strategy actually. I'm just kidding with you. Okay, here we go. We're not a bad spot here. This is the double top area. So that 77.50 is a good, nice Gann line over there. Okay, so the market will probably come up to around here if they don't sell it off from here and sell it there. If it gets up here, it's even better for us. This is a lovely sell spot, 77.50 area. Okay, so just be mindful on that. That's a good spot to go. All right, so now then, let's take a look at oil. Here we got the oil in this range. Yesterday I did say sell buy area here, top and bottom. As you can see, the market's moving. There's a few meetings going on about oil at the moment, so just be careful with the oil. The best thing to do with this is basically just hang in there. Okay, if you're an oil trader, you're going to have to bounce off the lines and not muck around with it inside this range here, because this is where a lot of people lose money. Okay, so we don't want you to lose money. Make sure you come back to support or resistance levels before you pull triggers and on buy and sell transactions. Let's take a look at the gold. Here is the gold, nice and lovely. All right, now with the gold, I am for long if it comes back, but it's just not coming back at the moment. However, I don't like to run after prices. I only buy things if the price is right for me. So what we're going to do with gold is very simple. What I'd like to do is just wait for that pullback to happen. All right, this is our triangle. We're in a nice symmetric triangle on the daily chart. We can bring this to a 4-hour chart, make it a bit more visible for us. And from that on, what we'll do is just follow gold. If it goes down, we will buy from the tops. I'm not selling because I think the trend is up and I'm not going to go against it. From here, actually, you could do intraday trades. Shorting it to around the mid-level is okay. All right, that's your support there. Where would the market come back down to? Maybe, let's see, I see this area is support already, so from there to there. Okay, so the market's already at support here. Only if it breaks down, you have targets at the bottom here where it might come down to. If it does pull back, that's great, we could go long. Let's check out where the Fibonacci lines on those are. Here we go. So there's the 50 level, there's the 38 level, so around that 1320 level is good, and also this level is bound to be good since it's the half on the Fibonacci line. That's 1325. Okay, so we'll just put those there and just hang in there and wait for the market to make its move. All right, there we go. So don't panic, just let the market do what it needs to do and only trade on your levels. If you're a keen gold trader, you want to do something today, sell at the tops, take your profits when it comes to the lines, and cover yourself. If you want to follow it through, make sure you get some profit put into your pocket and then move forward. Now I hope that helps for you guys. All the best. Make sure you follow up the news because Yellen and Draghi will be talking tomorrow, so the markets are going to be a bit volatile. All right, have a great day.